The flavours were there, but my God, there were no juice, yeah? I like it when it's a bit damp inside. What's happening? Yes, people, what's happening? It's your boy f***ing Mill, yeah? Scran time, 6:10. We're in the mix. Listen, there's a big bag under here. I don't know where it's from. Where's it from? You've not even told me this one.
Naga Spice.
Who? Naga Spice, man. Yeah, you know me now. I like my curries. Yeah, but this time round, instead of getting the curry main and the rice and that, I just got a couple of starters. Yeah, that's what I fancied. Let's see what the starter game's all about. Yeah? Because that's a biggie in the Indian game. So let's see what we've got. It's a big old f***ing bag. Get rid of that, yeah, because we don't do salad on this channel.
As you can tell.
Right. Can of Coke. Full fat done, yeah? So I got Bombay aloo, mixed kebab, and a chicken chat. Let's crack this mixed kebab open, yeah? Let's crack them all up. What the f is that? Yeah? Onions and that on it. Yeah? Chicken chat. Bombay aloo, which is like Bombay potatoes, isn't it? Correct me if I'm wrong, somebody. I'm not wrong. Right, where's my fork then? See me with me Indians, I love a starter. If you go into an all-you-can-eat buffet, you'll catch me at the starter bit, stocking up on onion bhajis, samosas, all of that. Yeah. And then I'll nip out at sauce bit and get a bit of sauce. Right, what we'll do, we're going to go straight in on this. I'm going to have to get rid of all these fried onions, yeah, because they're not me. You know me with these little onion bhajis and all. If they're small, they're going in. Oh, lad, looking for prime. Yeah, that was dry as yeah, the flavours were there, but my God, there were no juice, yeah? I like it when it's a bit damp inside. Like Curry Palace. Right, so in this little fucking mad thing, we've got fried onions, onion bhaji, them, yeah, the shish kebab. I've told them about it being red. It has to be red, man, that looks dead. Oh. Nah, man. Can I have some tissue? Fucking lucky that didn't hit that fucking chicken chat bagaloo, whatever it's called. That is shit. I'm sorry, but it's shit. And then we've got some fucking little, I don't know, is that chicken tikka? Is it lamb? It's chicken tikka. And that ain't bad chicken. Yeah? So that one, done out, ya. Yeah? Not the best start to the bundle. Yeah? And then we're going to go straight in on these little Bombay. I like these, me. Yeah? Because they're always soft. Bombay potatoes, man, you need to try them. Look, I can't even get it on fork. It's that soft. It's beautiful. It'll melt in your mouth then. I knew that would. I've never had a f***ing bad Bombay f***ing aloo. So that's a banger. That's dead. Chicken chat, man. Yeah? You know we do the chicken chat. Don't want to chat too much. Let's just get in, man. The grease it all up. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah? Chicken chat. Always good starters, man. This is what I'm saying. Where's this place? What? What's it called?
Naga Spice.
Naga Spice, yeah? It's a tricky one. Yeah, I think I've myself up though. Yeah? By choosing 3 starters and not throwing them in it mix. But that's on me. That one's washed. The chicken's alright, that's about it. The onion bhaji is nicely flavoured, but very dry. Bombay aloo, fire. Chicken chat, beautiful. I'm just gonna have to, I'm torn between 3.5 and 4. So because of me, yeah, because I'm a fucking good guy, we'll give them a 4, man. Naga Spice, whatever they're called. Is that right? Naga Spice, yeah, 4. We'll go with a 4 on that. Them 2, beautiful, perfect. That lets it down a little bit, yeah? Let's run through some fucking comments.
Comments time.
Right, so we've got, yeah, N.I, who says, he said, this is what I mean, man, this is what we're up against, yeah? N.I says, speak like an a Briton, not a Scottish. Let me repeat what I just fucking said, yeah? Speak like an a Briton, not a Scottish. Number 1. Don't wind me up. Number 2, yeah? Correct me if I'm fucking wrong again, but he's Scotland, not in Britain.
Yeah.
N.I, man, you're illiterate, you're thick as fuck. Get off the channel, man. Just go on, yeah? Just f off. And then we've got Hello Biz, who says, do you actually film the vids on Tuesday and Thursday, or film them on Monday and Wednesday and edit them ready for 6:10 on Tuesday and Thursdays? Hello Biz, yeah, hey. Number 1. We don't do it on Wednesdays and Thursdays, yeah? We don't do it on, yeah, we do it. What? What day is it today? Monday, innit? Other than today, yeah? We do it on Wednesdays. 4 in one night. Don't ask how, and don't ask why, because it me off, but it has to be done. Yeah? 4 in one night. Yeah, it's a heavy job. It ain't for the faint-hearted. Yeah? Hello, Biz. That's how we do it. Yeah, these boys behind the cameras here, waffling, giggling to themselves, acting like little girls because they're on Insta Live. Yeah? They do all the editing and that. I just come, I show up, I eat, I talk, and I dip. Yeah? Naga Spice. Comments done. 4 stars on that Naga. Yeah? Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Love. Like the fat beef, do you know what I mean? The fat stuff, dead. Yeah, pink and that. Little thin smashes, that's what you want.